story about a witch who loses her hat, her bow, and her wand. And about all the new friends she meets on her journey. Gather round closely. Children to the front, please. Oh, I think we're missing someone. Ah, there you are, Cat. Are you two making a spell?
Yes. Giggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoom!
Oh my goodness! Somebody, get down! Oh, that was close!
The witch had a cat and a very tall hat and long ginger hair, which she wore in a plait.
Magical! Quickly, everyone, follow Witch and Cat. Enjoy the adventure.
How the cat purred and how the witch grinned as they sat on their broomstick and flew through the wind. And how the witch grinned and how the cat spat when the wind blew so wildly it blew off her hat.
Down!
Cried the witch.
I am a dog, as keen as can be.
Is there room on the broom for a dog like me?
Oh dear, looks like Witch's hat is trapped in the tree. Everybody, come on, jump up and down.
Everyone, so jump up and down, everyone. Everyone keep going, everyone keep jumping. Yeah, keep going, guys, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, guys, one more jump.
Yes, you've done it.
The dog clambered on. The witch tapped the broomstick. Whoosh! They were gone. Over the fields and the forest they flew. The dog wagged his tail and the stormy wind blew.
Looks like Witch's boat has fallen into a haystack. Can you find it?
You guys all want to look inside the haystack?
Put your hand in the hole, there we go. We got what? Is it available? We got one. This is from our
I am a frog, as clean as can be. Is there room on the broom for a frog like me?
Oh dear me, the bullfrog has eaten Witch's wand. Hit the fireflies and see if he will give it back.
Yes, guys, hit the fireflies. Yes, you guys want to keep hitting the fireflies?
Well done! You found it!
So the frog bounded on. The witch tapped the broomstick. And whoosh! They were gone. Over the moors and the mountains they flew. The frog jumped for joy and the broom snapped in two. Down fell the cat and the dog and the frog. Down they went tumbling into a bog.
Buzz off! That's my wish! Oh, sorry,
He spluttered.
I made a mistake.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
The grateful witch cried.
Without you, I'd be in that dragon's inside.